Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a device with Android 13 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, let's make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then let's enter the Play Store. Right here you've got the circle, which is your account, and if you're not currently logged in, you will have to do it right now, and after that just tap on it. Here we have to enter Manage Apps on Device and tap on Manage. As you can see, here we've got the list of all apps which are currently installed on this device, and in order to check the updates, just tap on Updates Available. We've got 37 of them, so basically all you have to do is to simply find those which you'd like to update. So let me pick, for example, the Gmail. As you can see, all you have to do is to mark them. And let me pick, for example, Google Chrome. Now let's tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, from now on, this device will simply download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically the apps will be automatically updated. So basically you do not really need to do anything more. So actually that's all. This is how to update apps in your Android 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.